Welcome to a hard-hitting reality check on personal finance. I'm here to tell you that it's time to break free from the chains of poor financial choices. Inspired by Dave Ramsey, let's dive into 18 spending traps poor people fall for. This isn't about shaming. It's about awakening and transforming your financial habits. So, are you ready to stop the cycle of poverty and start your journey to financial freedom? If the answer is yes, then let's get started. Number 1. Overpriced household cleaners. Stop wasting cash on fancy cleaners. Dave Ramsey would tell you it's the same dirt, so use cheaper or homemade cleaners. Your house will be just as clean and your wallet fuller. Number 2. Frequent fast food visits. Fast food is a fast track to poverty. As Dave Ramsey often implies, cooking at home saves more than just money. It saves your financial future. Number 3. Luxury baby items. Investing in high-end baby stuff. Dave Ramsey says that's just silly. Babies grow too fast. Opt for affordable, practical options. Number 4. Over-the-top grooming expenses. Ditch the pricey grooming. Dave Ramsey advocates for sensible spending. Look good without overspending. Number 5. Costly pet care products. Premium pet products can bleed you dry. Dave Ramsey's advice: be a smart shopper when it comes to purchasing pet products. Number 6. Pricey gardening supplies. You don't need high-end brand-name tools for your garden. Echoing Dave Ramsey's philosophy in finance, it's more about choosing tools for their effectiveness rather than their price tag or brand. Just as Ramsey teaches that a high price doesn't always equal quality in financial tools, the same applies to gardening. Number 7. Excessive home heating and cooling. Excessively heating or cooling your home is like throwing money away. Dave Ramsey recommends adopting energy-efficient habits to cut down on utility bills, which will help you save money. Number 8. Frequent car rentals. Constant car rentals add up. Dave Ramsey encourages using alternatives like public transportation for better savings. Number 9. Premium gas for regular cars. Using high-octane gas in regular cars is a waste. Dave Ramsey's advice is to use regular unless your car specifically requires premium. Number 10. Overdoing gifts and celebrations. Extravagance in gifts and parties is a financial pitfall. Dave Ramsey advises setting a reasonable budget and sticking to it. Number 11. High-fee banking services. Paying for premium banking services. Dave Ramsey would tell you it's a needless drain on your finances. Opt for low-fee or no-fee banking. Number 12. Retail therapy. Shopping to feel better is a temporary fix with lasting financial damage. Dave Ramsey recommends finding more sustainable ways to deal with emotions. Number 13. Fancy fitness gear. Expensive workout gear is just a luxury, not a necessity. Dave Ramsey promotes being financially fit by choosing affordable fitness options. Number 14. Overpriced school supplies. Brand-name school supplies are an unnecessary expense. Dave Ramsey would advise buying practical items that don't break the bank. Number 15. Expensive hobbies and clubs. High membership fees and costly hobbies can cripple your budget. Dave Ramsey encourages hobbies that are affordable or can generate income. Number 16. Premium water brands. Are you spending too much on bottled water? Well, Dave Ramsey advises that tap water, possibly enhanced with a faucet filter for taste, is often just as good and more cost-effective. Number 17. Costly gadget accessories. Buying expensive accessories for electronics. Dave Ramsey's view: stick to what's necessary. The high price doesn't always mean high quality. Number 18. Overindulging in trendy diets. Jumping on every new diet trend. It's not just your waistline that's taking a hit, but your wallet too. Dave Ramsey would suggest sticking to basic, healthy eating principles without falling for expensive fad diets. Remember, the path to financial freedom is paved with smart, everyday choices. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Each of these 18 points is a step towards breaking free from financial foolishness. Take control of your money and start your journey to a richer life today.